Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a quick trick to get the pink Highland Poppy seeds in Heartopia during the Winter Frost event. In this event, there's a new flower that called Highland Poppy, and then you can buy this seed from the NPC Blanc, but only in the three colors, red, white, and yellow. And so how do we get the pink one? We must use the cross breeding. First, just plant your flowers in alternating pattern like this, like yellow, right, white, and then yellow again, and right again, and white again, like this. Just rinse it like this, and then after that just water them and wait until the flowers bloom. And when they bloom, just don't harvest them yet, just keep watering until you see a floating seeds appear like this. And then next, just pick it up and the crossbreeding will work like this. And usually crossbreed seeds appear in the morning in the game. And for just pro tip, just ask your friends to help water your plants. Like from my experience, more watering from friends noticeably will speed up the crossbreeding seed spawn. And as you can see, my red and uh, white poppy finally produced an pink Highland poppy like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.